Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Reech Fatma and I am a student of class 5. Today I am presenting a project Squatted Alarm with three different zones, green, yellow and red. This project is designed to enhance security. Each area is indicating different alerts. Purpose of this project is how to detect and create a special event. My name is Amna Wahid. I am telling about the advantages. Low cost and easy to build, provides real time using alert LEDs. Low power consumption, customizable different zones, safe and reliable operations. In this project, we use sensor, Arduino, breadboard, power supply, three different LEDs with buzzer. Now I'm showing the working of this project. Safe zone, warning zone, danger zone.